How to create a quiz on Instagram. Go to the main page of Instagram. In the top left, select the camera. Go ahead and upload the picture you want to use or take a photo. And then at the top, you're going to select the third icon from the left, which is a square smiley face. Then go ahead and select quiz. Once you select it, then it's going to bring up the poll on your screen. And then you can go ahead and type in whatever question you want to ask your audience. That will be at the top in the little black space. And then once you do that, it will give you the option to enter all of your answers. As you can see, it starts off with an A and a B column, but it'll also give you a C and also a D column to enter answers, which is actually really good because you don't just get 2 columns, you get 3 or 4 columns as well. And guys, that's pretty much how you do it. But also after you enter all your answers, you're going to select the one that is actually correct and then select done. Once you do that, click send to and then post it to your page. And that's how you do it. That is how you create a quiz on Instagram for your followers. Hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.